Hello and welcome. Today we are doing Excel BI Excel Challenge 158. This should be an easy one. It's quite doable, I think. So, download the case. Open. Well, now, so we need to list the top 3 players in order of decreasing order of duration, and duration is determined by this. So we do something like let first the player in let argument, and then the years in the let argument, and now we do text after year, so after the minus, and then text before, also year and also minus as a delimiter. And here we have the years, and now we so like D for duration, and then we filter. Do I want to stack them here? We stack them together. We stack players and duration together, and filter if the duration is larger or equal to the third largest duration. Here we need to take the unique duration here, and as you can see, it's unsorted right now, but we will sort it. Second as the index, decreasing order. It's always not intuitive for me that the standard order is ascending and descending. But anyway, so as you can see, we've solved the challenge. So this wasn't so complicated. We needed to calculate the difference with text after and text before. Then we filtered the then stacked back together in this form, but not with years, rather with duration. Then we filtered it here if the duration is larger than the fourth largest unique duration, and then we sorted it according to the second column in descending order. Yeah. So let's put this on LinkedIn. Yeah, so basically a little bit shorter. Anyways, thank you for your attention. See you next time.